welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a red velvet cheesecake. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then next you need to prepare the springform pan. The way I like to do it is to remove the sides and place a sheet of parchment paper onto the base of the pan. And then add the sides back into place, and then use scissors to cut off the excess paper. Then lightly grease the pan and set it aside for now. Then to make the red velvet cake, into a sifter set over a small or medium bowl, add in the cake flour, baking soda, and salt. Then sift the ingredients into the bowl, whisk the ingredients to combine them, and set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the cocoa powder, red food coloring, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the softened butter and sugar and cream them with an electric mixer on a medium-low speed for 5 minutes. Then add in the eggs one at a time, mixing really well after each one that you add in. And once the second egg is added, cream the mixture on a medium speed for another minute. Then add in the red cocoa paste that we had from earlier and mix it in until it's combined. Then alternate adding the dry ingredients and buttermilk. Start by adding a third of the dry ingredients and mix it in briefly on a low speed until it's nearly combined. Then add in half of the buttermilk and mix it in briefly until it's almost combined. And just repeat the alternation until it's all added, making sure you end with the dry ingredients. Once you add the last of the dry ingredients, mix it in by hand so you have more control over the mixing. And you don't want to overmix the batter or your cake will come out tough. So you want to mix it just until it's combined and then stop. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan, tap it to get rid of any air bubbles, and bake it in the oven for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean with a few moist crumbs. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely. Then to make the cheesecake filling, in a large bowl, add in the softened cream cheese and beat it with an electric mixer on a high speed for about a minute. And add in the powdered sugar and vanilla extract. Mix it in on a low speed until it's combined. And once it is combined, beat it on a high speed for another minute. Then add in the heavy cream and mix it on a low speed to start with, and then continue whipping it until the mixture thickens, trying not to over whip it. Then finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. Then pour the cheesecake filling over the top of the cake. Again, make sure the cake is completely cooled. Then smooth out the top. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or overnight is even better. Then once it's well chilled, take it out of the fridge and remove the plastic wrap. Carefully run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan. Then remove the sides of the springform pan and carefully transfer it to your serving plate and remove the base of the pan and the parchment paper from underneath. For clean cuts, dip a sharp knife into some hot water, dry it off with a paper towel, and it will help make smooth, clean cuts. Just dip it in the hot water every time you want to make a cut. And that's how to make a red velvet cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.